This is the origami isodecahedron, and it's a lot like the origami cube in that the modulars are the same, and assembly is fairly similar, but a little bit longer. I hope you guys can fold it. Good luck. You are going to need 12 pieces of paper, and they're all going to need to be exactly the same in size, and the modulars are going to be exactly the same as well. Make sure you fold every piece like this, exactly how I put those two folds in the corner and then folded it over like this. Alright, now that we're done folding our modulars, we're gonna start assembly, but a general rule of thumb is that this part right here is on top with the slits, and the part that's on the inside is this part right here. Now I'm going to try to guide you through this in the most strategic way possible. So basically we're gonna take 3, put them together, 3, put them together, 3, put them together, and then we're gonna try to assemble them in the most technical way to make it the easiest for you guys. If you notice that your fold starts to get ugly, don't worry about it. When you get it all together, you can fix it. Just focus on getting it together and making the fold before trying to fix the ugly parts. If it gets ugly near the end, don't worry. You can fix it later. Good job on folding the icosahedron. I will keep posting origami tutorials. At the end, you can just clean it up. Hope you guys have a good day. What a beautiful gift idea and fold.